What is going on, my future meta millionaires? It is your boy Terry Stonkers, and welcome to my channel, baby, by the dip. All right, guys, in today's video, we're just going to go over meta materials. Had a great day of trading, so we're going to go over that. We're going to go over the Fintel information and take a look at a few other things. So, hope you're all ready for today's video. If you are, smash thumbs up, leave a comment down below. All right, so taking a look at meta materials, we had a great day, up 2.76%. You can see we opened at $1.82. We hit a high of $1.94, and our low was at $1.77. And you can see here after hours, we're setting at $1.88. If we go here and take a look on Yahoo Finance, I do believe theirs is off by 2 cents because their after hours is showing $1.90. But when I checked it on Webull, Fidelity, and Robinhood, they all show $1.88. So I do believe this is off. But as you see here, this is what I like to see. Now, our average volume is 6 million, guys. But today we had 11.64 million in volume. So almost like 40%, almost 100%, I'm sorry, almost 100% more in volume. What I did want to point out, this might explain why we had almost double the normal volume. There's a post here on Twitter by B West. Metamaterial News retweeted it. And there was a 6.4 million volume right at the close, which gave us 11.7 million on the day. And here he took this screenshot. He got it live on his Webull. So there you can see it. And this could be due to the quad witching today. And there it is, man. The big sell-off right before all that. So big drop right there, man. So great work on getting that out there. That probably explains how we got that kind of volume out there. Also, before we get into the Fintel information, I posted a video out earlier tonight talking about Mullen Automotive. Go check it out. Also got my Webull link, guys. It's going to be down below in the pinned comments, and you'll see it floating around here in the live premiere. Click on that link. Get yourself up to 5 free stocks, and you open up a new brokerage at Webull, man. It'll help you get some free money in your account, and we all could use free money right now. Okay. So let's go take a look here on the Fintel. I'm going to refresh just to make sure we got the most updated and accurate information. All right, check this out. Short squeeze score for MMAT is a 92.16. We are ranked 67 out of 5,500 stocks. Gamma squeeze score is at 85.86. We are ranked 630 out of 4,800 stocks. And the short shares that are available, I saw earlier that we were down to 0. That was great to see that there was no shares at one point at this leading prime brokerage. But close it today. We are showing 200,000 right now. Someone did return. Get out here and take a look at the short borrow fee. You can see today we had a max of 11.31%. We ended with the current at 10.30%. So Meta is getting really expensive again. As you can see, we were at a 10.3. We went down to a 6. Back up to an 8, and now we're back to that 10 again. And as you can see, we were down to 3, 4, and 5s, and now we're up to a 10. So it's getting really expensive to borrow meta materials. Whether they're going to borrow it, short it, hold it, it's going to be costing them a good bit now to do that. So we like to see that. Now, if we go here and look at the FINRA total volume, 2.28 million was traded in the FINRA, and of that, short volume ratio was a 35.08. They don't have the updated there. And just make sure nothing updated. And as you can see, the short interest percent of float is a 17.49%. We'll go take a look at the institutional ownership. We can still see we have the same shares now, 284 million, 284.8 million. It used to be the 281 million. It's now 284 million. That was because people exercised warrants. So we will have more of those. Once people exercise warrants, it will add to the shares outstanding. Just to let you know, I fully understand what's going on now with that. We have those warrants out there, and once they do exercise out those warrants, we will see this share number increase. Okay, so now we're going to look at the ownership accumulation score. We are at 90.98, ranked 1,038 out of 24,600 stocks. Let's go take a look. Do we have any new insider information? I just want to make sure I can get you guys. Hey, we have an insider accumulation score. It looks like it's getting updated now of a 53.57, ranked 6,000 out of 13,900 stocks. And let's go take a look. Do we have any new buyers? No, the last update was on March the 11th with City State Bank at 1,900 shares. And do we have any brand new sellers? And no, there's been no update on buyers or sellers, so we haven't had anything else pop up for a while. So, guys, I wanted to tell you that we are down to the last 9 days, guys. That's right. We're down to 9 trading days unless something comes out late tonight. But we are down to 9 trading days for the end of March. I was searching social media on Twitter. George hasn't really been active. So I don't know. He was putting likes on some stuff on Stock Twits, on some people's, on the Stock Twits, MMAT, everyone posts the songs. George did put a like on a song on there. But no, George hasn't really been active, so there's nothing to report off George's Twitter. John Berta is posting stuff and retweeting stuff, but nothing about MetaMaterials or nothing about Torchlight, nothing about the dividend. Yeah, and speaking of the dividend, we got to take a look here because this is interesting. The preferred share was down almost 12% today. I find that interesting. I believe, and look at the volume on this, I believe they're trying to play head games. Well, not only do they know when they're trying to play head games, let me get my finger right here. We went in and bought the dip. That's right. I went in and bought more today because I just couldn't pass up $1.40. I mean, if you sit here and tell me I think that dividend is going to be less than $1.40, I just don't see how. If I'm buying at $1.40 and we even get $2, guys, that's a big like 33 or 35% gain. That's huge, even if it's $2. So I just don't see buying it at $1.40. No, I'm not saying we can't lose money. There's always a risk of something bad going on. But as this here says, guys, when is the freaking tendies? And there it is. When tendies. That's what we're waiting on. So real quick here on the volume on MMTLP, our average volume is 672,000. And the traded volume today was 1.6 million. I find that interesting. And I believe it was a lot of short volume because I believe the closer we get to this dividend announcement of whatever it's going to be, I think the next announcement we will get is probably the presentation announcement. I did videos on that, and we're waiting to hear from George. We haven't heard anything. Must be something holding it up. So we're going to wait and see if we get any update here from George anytime soon on this presentation. I would like to get the announcement of the presentation. I don't expect we're going to get the presentation here in March, but I want to have an announcement knowing we can look forward to a date for the presentation. That would be great. Whether we get that or not, I don't know. If you want to go check out other videos I did, which one was it here? I wanted to show you guys on that. Yes, this one back here I did about 11 days ago, the timeline and events for dividend. That's almost at 4,000 views. A lot of people like that video. It's a lot of, leading up a post going up to this, big presentation date. So hopefully we get that announcement soon. Guys, hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and hope you all have a great weekend. If I'm going to go out tomorrow, we're going to go to a concert, and we're going to hit up the casino for a little bit of gambling. So your boy's going to probably play some roulette and some slots, so wish me good luck. All right, I'll catch you all on the next one, guys. Peace.